Hi, welcome to our 4 days resin workshop. I'm Essen.
I'm Marco.
I'm Seta.
And today we are going to walk you through how to prepare Workspace for working with epoxy resin. As you know that a clean, safe and organized setup makes all the difference for a successful resin project.
Before starting resin work, be sure of safety of your workspace. The first step of safety is ventilation. Resin generates a lot of toxic vapor during curing, so be sure about the air circulation. Here, as you noticed, all the windows are open and even we use one fan in order to make sure of air circulation. The second step is dust-free environment. Dust has the ability to ruin all the smooth surface of the resin. So before starting the work, be sure of cleaning the floor and also cleaning the table of your workspace.
The next one is protecting your work surface. As you know that the resins are messy. So you can cover your work surface with a plastic sheet, a piece of cloth, or the best of all, a silicone mat that is reusable and it's easy to clean.
The next step we are talking now is leveling the surface is another important thing to check. Use a spirit level is an important object to check if your workspace is leveled. Another important thing to do is where I can put all my instruments I can use for making resin. We need organized boxes. We have an example here about Kubrick system, is from Poland, and we have another multi-organizer in plastic for collecting accessories for the drill, an example, and a little boxes for collecting the pliers, the scissor, all the little instruments we need to having open access for using during our job.
The next part is preparing the surface for resin. Whether it's a wooden surface, a glass or a metal, the surface should be clean and dry. Make sure to wipe it with propyl alcohol to remove any dust, oil or debris.
As the next important step, manage the drips and flow of resin. You can use masking tape in order to cover the edge of the mold in order to avoid dripping the resin.
And that's it. By preparing your workspace and project surface clearly, you will avoid common resin mistakes and make something beautiful. Stick around for our next video in which we will be talking in detail about the safety. Thank you for watching.
Ciao.
Bye bye.
Ciao.